Hello, grade 4. Today we will start the revision sheet and model number 1. Let's start. The first question, choose the correct answer. Letter A, 3570 divided by 3. So here I'm gonna use the standard division or partial division or area model, anything you want. So let's start by standard division. We put the dividend inside and the divisor outside, and don't forget to write the timetable of the divisor: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. And after that our steps is divided, times, minus, drop. Okay, let's start with divided. So start from the left. 3 divided 3. So when I search in the number, it's 1. And after that times. 1 times 3 equals 3. After times, minus. 3 minus 3, 0. After minus, drop down. After drop down, repeat again the same process. 5 divided 3, it's 3. So when I search about the 5 in table 3, I don't find it. So I search about number before number 5. It's a 3, 1. After divided, times. 1 times 3 equals a 3. After that, minus. 5 minus 3 equals 2, and drop the next number, 7. And repeat again. 27 divided 3 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, 9 times 3 equals 27. And minus. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. And drop the last number. When I drop any number, whatever it's a 0 or smaller than the divisor, we have to divide it, okay? 0 divided 3 equals 0, and after that 0 times 3, 0, and minus. 0 minus 0, 0, and 0, and smile face. We have finished. So the answer, the quotient, is 1190, and remainder is 0. So the answer is letter B. The next question: which of the following is not a multiple of 7? Multiple of 7 means table 7. So I'm gonna write the table 7 here, like XO, and start from here. 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. And after that from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's search about 42 is here. Yeah, it's here. 63, yeah. 707, leave it now because I need to make it as division, long division. Search about 27. It's here, 27? No. So this is the number not multiple of 7, means it's not in table 7. Okay. Question letter C. 423 centimeter equals how many meter and how many centimeter? When I need to convert 423 centimeter, how many meter and how many centimeter? Write the metric units: kilo, meter, meter, centimeter, decimeter, centimeter, sorry, millimeter. When I convert from kilometer to meter, 1000. From meter to deci, 10. From deci to centi, 10. From centi to milli, 10. When I go like that, it's times. When I back, divide. When I back, divide. So here I need from centimeter to meter. from centimeter to meter. So I'm gonna back 1, 2, divided 100. So when I divide 100 means I will cancel 2 number. So cancel 3 and 2. The rest will be 2 and here 23 for meter and 23 centimeter. It's here. Okay. Question number 2, complete. Letter A. 3000 minus B equals 2000. When I have any variable, so we need to use bar model. We draw like that a rectangle, and between we have plus and here minus. Okay. After that, here in this side 3000 minus B, when I have this variable, so 3000 minus B, between the 3000 and the B minus. So where is the minus here, up or down? Up. So put 3000 up because it's the first number, and the B down, and the 2000 in the another place. When I need a B, hide it. The rest will be 3000 minus 2000. The answer will be 1000. Okay. Here, letter B. 3 times 5 minus 2. When I have more than 2 operations, so the order of operation, first I search about brackets, second divided or times who comes first from the left, and third plus or minus who comes first from the left. So here 3 times 5 minus 2. I search about brackets. We have no. After that, divided or times who comes first. So we have here times. 3 times 5 equals 15. And we have minus 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And 1 minus nothing equals 1. So the answer is 13. So here in this question letter C in the complete, 1, I'm gonna write the number first, you can read it. Before we need to read the number, any number, we have to put the families under the comma. 163,518,943. Round to the nearest million. Where is a million here? Is it 3? Is a million. So circle the digit. Look next door. What about a 16 in my bag? Not my business. Okay. And 3, look to 5. 5 from strong number. So we'll give a 3 1. It will be 4. And the rest of the numbers be zeros. So the answer is 164 million. Okay. We need to erase this to use. Here, put right or wrong. Okay, the following area model represents 87 divided by 4 equals 21 and the remainder 3. So he gave me here the area model and he needs to know this answer is right or wrong. Okay, so I can do it without division. How, you miss? We have a rule. A dividend equals the quotient times the divisor plus remainder. Okay, let's use it here. So where is the divisor and the dividend? The dividend is 87. So I need to know the quotient is 21 times a divisor, 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. And the answer, the product plus a remainder. 4 plus 3 equals 7 and an 8 drop it. So this is the dividend or not? Yeah, it's dividend. So the answer is right. Okay. So when I need to check this division, the answer of the division, right or wrong, I will take the quotient, this quotient, times the divisor and the product plus the remainder. Okay? Okay. The prime numbers. Is it 2 is a prime number? Yes or no? Okay, the prime number is a number that has two only factors. Okay, and the two factors is a 1 and itself. So here, 2 is a prime. Yes, what is the prime numbers? 2 with 3 with 5 with 7 with 11. So any numbers has two factors only. Okay, so here 2 from a prime. Yes, because we have 1 times 2 only. Okay, so right here, match each paragraph from the column A to what is appropriate from the column B. Letter A, 600,000 plus 5,000 plus 212. So before I said when I have any zeros, we have to count the zeros and start from the right. If I have 600,000 plus 5,000 plus 212. So here I have 3 zeros and here we have 5 zeros. So start from the right. He composed the ones and tens and 100. After that, 1,000. 1,000 had 3 zeros, is it 5? After that, 4 zeros we have? No, put 0. 5 zeros, yeah, we have 6. So the answer is 605,212. It's here. Okay, letter B. A square whose side is 5 centimeter, find the parameter. So when I have a square like that, side, 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 side. The parameter is side plus side plus side plus side, or side times 4. I'm gonna take a 5 times 4 equals 20 centimeter. So the answer is here. Letter C. 7 liter and 150 milliliter minus 780 milliliter. I can't subtract liter from milliliter. So here we have a comma. Comma means a plus. When I need to compose the both number, 7 liter will be 7,000 milliliter. Okay, so it will be 7,150 milliliter, the first number, minus 780 milliliter also. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 8 doesn't work, put a 1. 15 minus 8 equals 7. 0 minus 7 doesn't work, put a 1. 10 minus 7, 3, and drop 6. So the answer is here. The standard form of the number. So we said before, when I have letters, we have to put chairs to can write the answer. So here we have 650 million, okay, and 21,000. So we have to put chairs first. The biggest family is in million. So here 1, 2, 3, comma to 1,000. 1, 2, 3, comma to million. 1, 2, 3. 650 million. 650 million. 21,000. So I'm gonna put 21 here, and we don't have 100,000. And the rest of the chairs be zeros because it's empty. So this is letter D. The last one is here. A school with 300 students in the 4th grade. 300 students. Okay. This is letter A. E. If the number of boys 180, find the number of girls. So this is a part. He need a part, so minus the total number 300 minus 180. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 8 doesn't work. 10 minus 8 equals 2, and 2 minus 1 equals 1. So the answer is 120. Okay. Here we have answered the following questions. Letter A. Samir and Muhammad participated in a project. Participated means like share, okay, in a project. Samir paid 342,650 pounds. If the cost of the project is 668,500 pounds, how much did Muhammad pay? So we have a project here. This is letter A. We have a project. Its cost 668,500 pounds, and Muhammad and Samir participated in this project. So Samir paid 342,650. So I need to know how much did Muhammad pay. So here the total number is the total cost of the project. So here Muhammad and Samir will be part. When I need the part, I can make it as a bar model, put up the total here, put it here, and Samir here, and Muhammad here. And this is plus and minus up. So when I need to know how much Muhammad pay, I will do minus between the total minus the part of Samir. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 doesn't work. Put a 1. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 6 doesn't work. Put a 1. 14 minus 6 equals 8. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3. So the answer is 325,850 pounds. Okay, letter B. Rectangular gymnasium 7 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find its perimeter. So this is a rectangle. We have 7 meter long and 4 meter wide. Okay, what is the perimeter? The rule of the perimeter, we have to write the rule first. The perimeter equals length plus width all times 2. Okay, the length here is 7, so 7 plus 4 all times 2. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 11 times 2 equals 22 centimeter. This is the first model we have. Okay, the model number 2, let's start with put right for the correct statement and wrong for the incorrect statement. Let's start with question letter A. The GCF of 20 and 30. Okay, so we have to find the factors of a 20 and the factors of a 30. 20 is 1 times 20 and 2 times 10. And also we have anything? Yes, 4 times 5 when we search. We have a rules. 1 is factor for any number. 2 when the ones is even. 3 the sum of the digits in table 3. 4 in table 4. 5 the ones is 0 or 5. 6 we have to make sure it's okay in table 2 and 3 together. 7 in table 7, 8 in table 8, 9 like 3 the sum of the digit in table 9, and 10 the ones p0. Okay, and let's find the factors of a 30. 1 times 30 and 2 because 0 is even. So I know now how can I find 30 divided 2. 3 divided 2 is 1, and the remainder 1. Now it's 10 divided 2 equals 5. And keep it. 2 times 15 equals 30. After that, 3 times 10 and 5 times 6. So here, the common factors between 20 and 30 is 1 is common, a 2 is common, 5 is common, 10 is common. So we have a lot of commons, but the greatest common we have is a 10. Greatest common factor is a 10. So this is wrong because he said 4. Okay, letter B. Here we have in letter B, rounding the number 8,532 to the nearest thousand. So here the thousandth place. Let's look to 5. 5 will give 8 1. Yeah, it will be 9 and 3 zeros. So the answer is right? No, it's wrong also. Letter C. When we divide 35 divided 6, the answer will be 6 and remainder 5. Let's see. Say table 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. I don't have 35. So I need the number before 35. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So the answer is 5 and remainder 5. But here he said the quotient is 6. No, the quotient is 5. Okay. Question number 2, match. The first question, we solve it in model number 1, a school with 300 students in the 4th grade of primary school. If the number of boys 120, then the number of girls 300 minus 180, it will be 120. Okay, we solved it before. A school whose side is 5, we solved it before at model 1. 5 times 4 equals 20. C. The value of a 5. Value means number. So here 5, I'm gonna put a 5 and 3 zeros because we have 3 digits after 5. Question number 3, complete. Letter A. Which number is the only even prime number? The prime numbers is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. Any number has 2 factors only. 1 will itself. The only prime number and even is a 2. The smallest odd number is 3. Okay? But here he said even, so it's 2. The divisor in 384 divided by 8 equal 48. Where is the divisor here? 8, of course, because the 384 is called dividend and the 48 is a quotient. Question number 4, choose the correct answer. A rectangle, its length L and its width W. What is its perimeter? Perimeter is length plus width all times 2. Okay, letter C. Which is not a common multiple of a 9 and 6? Okay, let's start with 36. We need to know 9 and 6. A 9 is when I do plus 4 digits, the condition of a 9, do plus 4 the digits. If it's in table 9, so 36 in table 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9 in table 9, yeah. And 6 we have 2 conditions, 2 with 3. A 2 must be even. So 6 is even once, yeah. 3 plus of the digit in table 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 for table 3, yeah. So 36 exists in 9 and L6. So choose. Now I'm gonna test 54 with a 9 and a 6. 9 and plus of a digit in table 9, yeah. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 exists in table 9. and 6, we need to know 2 and 3 together. The ones is even, yeah. The plus is 9. 9 in table 3, yes. Let's see 27. And 9 and 6. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 9 in table 9, yeah. Is 3. We have two conditions. If 2 is even, this is even, no. So it's not exist in 6. So this is the number 27. Because we don't have 6 times any number equals 27. Okay? Letter C. 1 day and 5 hours. How many hours? I can't add day with hour. So I need to convert a day to hour. A day, how many hour in the day? 24. So 24 hour plus 5 hours equals 29 hours. Okay. Letter D. 13 plus 0 equals 13 is when I have zeros, any zero in the addition, so this is called additive identity property. So letter E. What is the first step of the following? We said before, brackets first, second divided and times who comes first from the left. Here we have divided, so do it first. 30 divided 6 first. Okay. Let's move to the story problem. Letter number 5, letter A. So here, a braid of ant consists of 142 ants. So we have the first braid is 142 ants. And another braid consists of 165 ants. 165 ants. How many ants are there in the two braid together? Together means plus. So I need to know how many in the both braids. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 4 plus 6, 10, 0, and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. And don't forget to write ants. Okay, letter B. 22 passengers can fit on each river bus at a time. So in the first river bus, there is 22 passengers. What is the maximum number of passengers the river bus can carry if it makes 5 trips? We have 5 trips. So this means that 22 is repeating 5 times. So when I need the total number, when I have any number is repeat, I will do times. So 22 times 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 0 and carry up 1. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. But don't forget to write passengers. Okay, so we have finished model 2. Let's move to model number 3. Okay, the first one, choose the correct answer. Using the following area model, the quotient equals, so here we have the area model. The quotient is the number under the area model. Why? Because this is times. When I convert the times to divided, I will take 1400 divided by the divisor here is 7 equals 200. And in another side, 21 divided 7 equals another factor is 3. So the quotients here 203 equals 203. Letter B. A rectangle, its length 8 and the width 4. Solve the area. Area means length times width. If I don't know, draw it to know the rule. Length and width. And we said area means letter L. So length times width. The length here 8 times 4 equals 32 centimeter cube. Squared, sorry. Letter C. The population of a country 56,724,033. Then the place value of a 6. The place value of a 6 is million. 13 plus 0 equals 13. I have 0, so this is called additive identity property. Okay. Question number 2. Complete. Okay. 650 millimeter equals how many centimeter? So we have to write the metric units: kilo, meter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. From kilometer to meter times 1000. Okay. And here 10, 10, 10. From millimeter to centimeter divided 10. So I'm gonna cross 1 0. The answer will be 65. Okay. Letter B. The standard form of the formula numeral 3,214,936. When I have letters, we have to put chairs. The biggest family is in million. Okay. 1, 2, 3, comment 1,000. 1, 2, 3, comment million. 1, 2, 3. So here he said 3 million. So we don't have 10 million or 100 million. Zeros. And 214,000. 214 in the thousand. Okay. And 936. 936. Okay. Letter C. 120 minus bracket 10 plus 5 times 8. We said before the brackets first. We solve what inside the brackets first. So here 10 plus 5, it will be 15. That's mean 120 minus 15 times 8. After that we have minus and times. Times first, after it brackets times. So as a draft here, 15 times 8. 8 times 5 equals 40. 0 and carry up 4. 8 times 1 by 8 plus 4 equals 12. So here we drop 120 minus 15 times 8 equals 120. 120 minus 120, it will be 0. Okay. Number 3. Match each paragraph for the column A to what is appropriate from the column B. 5 minutes equals how many seconds? When I convert from minutes to seconds, its time is 60. So 5 times 60, drop 0 in the times and put it on the right. 5 times 6 equals 30. So the answer is 300. Letter B. From kilogram to gram times 1000. 15 times 1000, it will be 15,000. Letter C. 17 times 6. 17 here times 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. Put it 2 and carry up 4. 6 times 1, 6 plus 4, 10. So the answer is 102. Okay, this is letter C. Number 4. Put right for the correct statement and wrong for incorrect statement. 214 divided by 4 equals 43 and remainder 4. We said before, when I need to check this division is right or wrong, I will take the quotient times the divisor plus remainder if we have remainder. So here the quotient is 43 times a divisor here. So 43, to check, 43 times 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 and carry up 1. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 plus 1 equals 21. and after that add the remainder, 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9, and drop a 1 and 2. So the dividend must be 219. Here it's 214, so this is wrong. B. 3 is a factor of 12. Yeah, 12 equals 3 times 4, so 3 is a factor. Letter C. The multiplication equation of 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 5 times 5 equals 15? No. 5 plus 5 plus 5, the multiplication is 5 repeating 3 times. So it will be 5 times 3, not 5 times 5. So this is wrong. Okay. Number 5, letter A. Okay. Here, find the GCF of 25 and 35. So to find the GCF, we need to find the factors of each number here. By T, short, by rainbow, by tree, factor tree, anything. Okay. So let's start with 25 and 35 here and 25 here. The first one times 25. 2, no, because this is not even. 3, when I add 2 plus 5 equals 7. 7 not in table 3. When I search in table 4, it's not exist. But 5, yeah, because the ones is 0 or 5. 5 times 5. And we don't have another factor. 35 is 1 times 35. And 5 times 7. Okay. If I search about all the number, I can't find anything. So the common factors is L1 is common and L5 is common. But the greatest common factor, the biggest one, greatest common factor is L5. The greatest one. Okay, letter B. A road of, this is a road, is 675 length. If a train, we have train here, travel, this is a train, okay, that if a train traveled a distance of 239, okay, kilometer from this road, so the train travel only 239 from this distance, okay, to reach like here. What is the remaining distance? Remaining distance, how many left? So this is minus 675 minus 239. 5 minus 9 doesn't work. Borrow 1. 15 minus 9 equals 6. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 6 minus 2 equals 4 kilometer. Don't forget it. We have finished model 3. Let's move to model number 4 and choose the correct answer. Okay. A rectangle, its length 8 and width 4. We solved it before. Area means letter L, length times width. So 8 times 4 equals 32. Okay, letter B, 13 liter and 30 milliliter. How can I add 13 liter plus 30 milliliter? I need the answer by milliliter. So convert from liter to milliliter, add 3 zeros because it's times 1000. It will be 3000 plus 30. It will be 13,030. Letter B. 45 is means equal. Which number times 5? When I said table 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it's 9. What is the unknown value of the area model 17 times 40? So here 10 times 30 equals 300 and 10 times 10 equals 100. 7 times 30 equals 210 and 7 times 10 equals 70. So the missing is 70. Number 2, complete. The standard form of the numeral it's repeated a lot. When I have letters, we have to put the chairs. The biggest family here is in million. 1, 2, 3, 10 million. So here 3 million. We don't have 10 million or 100 million. 3 million. 214,000. 214,000. And 936. 936. Okay. When we divide 126 by 4, the remaining is, so we need to do it as long division. Okay. Let's start. Put the dividend inside and the divisor outside. And write the table of divisor. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And let's start. Divide it first. 1 divided 4 doesn't work, so take 12. 12 divided 4, so here we have 12. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. And after that, minus. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. And after minus, drop down. And repeat again. 6 divided 4, we don't have, but the closed number is 4. 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. And after that, minus. 6 minus 4, 2. And we don't have number to drop it, so stop. So the quotient is 31 and remainder 2. So the remainder is 2. Letter C. Which number is the common factor for all number? Is it 1? 1. Any number, we start from 1 times in itself. Okay. Number 3. Put right for the correct statement or wrong for incorrect statement. Letter A. We have here 5 plus 6 minus 2 times 2. We said before, first something we do the brackets, but we don't have brackets here. After that, divided or times. We have times here. So 5 plus 6 minus, it's the same. 2 times 2 equals 4. After that, we have plus and minus. We will do the plus first because it comes first. 5 plus 6 equals 11 minus 4 equals 7. But he said the answer is 9. Wrong. Letter B. The area of the square of its side length 7. The area is letter L, side times side. So 7 times 7 equals 49. It's right. Letter C. The property 5 times 8 equals 8 times 5. Called commutative property. Yeah, because when I switch the number, called commutative. 4. Match here. Letter A factor of 20. So which number times which number equal 20? We have 1 times 20 and 2 times 10. We have 10 here. So choose it. Letter B. The additive identity is 0. Letter C. A multiple of 11. Multiple means answer of table 11. So the table 11 is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Okay, so we have here. Number 5. Answer the following question. Ayman ate 4 figs in the morning. His older brother ate 3 times as many as. How many figs did his brother eat? So his brother ate 3 times him. So I'm gonna take 4 times 3 because 4 is repeating 3 times. 4 times 3 equals 12, and don't forget to write figs. Okay. Letter B. Write all factors of the number 24 and decide if the number is a prime or composite. Okay. The 24 is 1 times 24. Okay, 1 times 24. And 2, because this is even, I will do it as 24 divided 2. 2 divided 2, 1. 4 divided 2 equals 2. After that, 3 times 8. After that, 4 times 6. So this is all factors of a 24. So this is prime? No, of course, because the prime has only two factors, L1 and itself. So this is composite. Okay, model number 5. We have question number 1. Which number is the greatest common factor of a 12 and 6? We need to find all factors of L6 and L12. Okay, here we have 6, 1 times 6, and 2 times 3. And 12 here, we have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. The common between the 6 and L12 is L1 is common, L6 is common, and 2 is common, 3 is common. But where is the greatest? The greatest is a 6. Using the relationship between units of the length, choose the correct answer to complete of the following. I need to complete from kilometer. We have to write first kilometer, meter, this is centi, milli. Here 3 zeros because it's 1000. 10, 10, 10. So I need to jump from kilometer to centimeter. 3 0 and 4 0, 5 zeros. But it's 60. I will add 5 0 for it. It will be 6 zeros now. Because I already had 1. So it will be 6 million. Okay. Letter C. Which of the following equals 9? Let's start with the first one. 25 divided by 5 plus L4. We said before the divided first. 25 divided 5 equals 5 plus L4 equals 9. So this is the first one. Thank God. 2. Complete. A rectangle has 4 meter width and 6 centimeter length. Find the area. Area means letter L. So length times width, 4 times 6 equals 24 centimeter squared. P. The smallest odd prime. So the primes is 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. The smallest even and only even is a 2, but the smallest odd is a 3. 365 divided 6 equals how many and remainder 5? Okay, I need the long division here. 365 and here divided by 6 and write table 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and stop. Let's divide. 3 divided 6 doesn't work. Take 36. 36 divided 6 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna write 6 up. And 6 times 6 equals 36 after times minus. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. And after that, drop a 5. When I drop any number, we have to divide it. 5 divided 6 doesn't work, we have to put 0. So the answer is 60 and the remainder 5 because we don't have any number to drop it again. Put right for the correct statement and wrong for incorrect statement. 1 decimeter equal 10 centimeter. Okay, let's move here from meter to decimeter, yeah, times 10. So this is right. When we have a 0, we need to count the zeros and start from the right. We will start from a 5, okay? After that, 1 0 we don't have. So, wrong. We have to put 0. C. The prime number 5, the sum of its factor is 6. Okay, the prime number has 1 times a 5 only, right? So the factor of a 5 is 1 and the 5. The sum of a 1 and the 5 is 6. Yeah, 1 plus 5 equals 6. Number 4. Match. A factor of a 20. We have it a lot. 10. The additive identity, 0. The multiple of 11, 55. 5 weeks equals how many days? From week to day times 7. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 minutes equal how many seconds? From minutes to equals 300. Okay. Number 5. Answer the following questions. Letter A. There are 64 children in the park. They want to make teams with 8 children in each team. How many teams they will make? So I need to distribute 64 children among teams. In each team, 8 children. When I said distribute means divided. So 64 divided by 8, the answer will be 8 teams. Okay, letter B. We had it before at model number 4. All factors of a 24. 1 times 24, we said. 2 times 12. 3 times 8. 4 times 6. So this is of course not prime, this is composite. Okay, thank you for watching.